In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Wix Studio if you're looking to add a sleek and modern touch to your website. Making the header transparent is an excellent option. It allows for a more integrated look, especially if you have a beautiful background image or video that you want to highlight. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, navigate to your Wix website and open the editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to focus on the header section. You can do this by selecting the header from the top of the page or through the Layers panel, which is particularly useful if you have a complex layout. Now that you have the header selected, the next step is to change its background to transparent. Start by clicking directly on the header. You'll notice 3 dots appearing. These are your gateway to customizing the header. Click on those dots to access more options. Once you've accessed these settings, you'll need to select Change Header Design. This is where you can unleash your creativity and breathing life into your website's header. Look for the option labeled Fill Color and Opacity. Clicking this will open a panel where you can adjust the appearance of the header. For the transparent effect, you'll want to adjust the background to 0% opacity. This means there's no color filling the header at all, allowing whatever's behind it to show through, giving that desirable transparent look. Often, when you make your header transparent, the text and menu items might blend too much with the background. Adjusting the text and menu colors will help ensure they stand out. Click on your menu or any text components within the header. Opt for high contrast colors against your background, for instance, white text on a darker background for improved visibility. This ensures that your website remains user-friendly, as readability is critical. And that's it! You've just created a transparent header in Wix Studio, giving your website that modern, seamless look. Transparent headers are not only trendy, but also versatile, allowing your background content to shine through and engaging your audience more effectively. Remember, always double-check how your header appears on different devices to keep the user experience consistent across all platforms. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!